What up? In this video, I want to go over how to use the extrude tool and the select tools and the auto extrude settings and the auto extrude button and the colors. So let's get started. Right over here in the left panel, you have your auto extrude settings, you have your modes, you have different modes that target the colors in different ways. Then you have your minimum thickness and maximum thickness, and then your distribution methods. I've already preset this one up to make it look pretty good when I hit the button, so let's give it a try. That didn't look too bad. But like, if you want a different look, let's go with just the opposite. Darker is lighter, or darker is thicker. That changes it to that. Let's try, actually let's try midtones to light. That's not super bad. But I personally liked this one better. Let's try different distribution methods real quick, like ease out. Made it a little bit thinner. Let's try even. That ain't too bad. But personally, I liked exponential best. A little bit thicker, like that one. And then you also have the select tool. So if you want to, you can select different parts of the model and individually extrude each part, or you can hold shift and select different parts of the model. Like if I want both these eyes and the teeth, for example. Or you can also just come up here and select individual colors, or hold shift and select multiple colors. You can also, and you can see it says mixed, and that's because I have different parts of different thicknesses selected. But if I just select one part like the red, I can see here exactly how thick they are, and I can also just enter that thickness. And there we go, now they're that thick. Okay, change a little bit. And you can use the select tools to pick apart, like let's say the eyes again, and then switch over to the extrude tool, and now you have little handles. You can grab those handles and pull them out. Whoa, big old bug eyes. Undo that. You also have mirror mode. Turn that off, and now one handle's white, one handle's orange, and with them on, they're both orange. So when you have mirror mode on, then you can extrude both sides at the same time. If you have mirror mode off, then you can extrude just one side at a time. And that also works with, turn this all the way back to flat. There we go. That also works with the auto extrude and the manual inputs. So if you have mirror mode off and I hit this, now it'll extrude out one side. Turn mirror mode back on, undo that, hit it again. Now it's extruded out both sides. With the colors, you can also choose like to disable one to get a look, re-enable it. You can also remove a color entirely. I'm going to bring that one back. So yeah, that's about it for this one, and I will see you in the next one.